hello, hello, hello. Happy Mother's Day to all the mama. Say Happy Mother's Day to all mother. Uy!
Happy Mother's Day!
Wow. Wow ko siya kasi yung ano? Ano ba yan? Hold on. Ang langit is very beautiful. Looks like raining. And then ngayon ano na? Para na siyang anong tawag nito? Agoy. Agoy. Agoy ka niya. Oh, okay. Okay. It looks like I make it. Okay guys, babay na kay musulod na misa mo musulod. Uwi na kami. And happy Mother's Day to all the mother in the entire world. Today is ano ba? Yan. Uwi na tayo before the rain and before the traffic tonight. Hello, good morning din yung tanan, may buntag, may kadlawon, may gabi maayong hapon. Mayong kadlawon. Nandito tayo sa atong kuan kasi nag-break tayo, break time. I am wearing pink and purple. Parang masarap magsuot ng purple. And then lips ko din. Yan. And then aking buhok. Ganyan na kong buhok. Ganyan. Tabilan ng tamong para dili makaingon nga naturiring na si Myra. Naturiring na ko. Ako sa ning tabilan para okay kay ta. Manong gabiin na kay ta ba? Yan. Itong siradan. Tanaw in tawon sa siya. Mga unta ninyo, chips. Paborito nila akong chips kani siya. And happy Mother's Day sa lahat dyan. Happy Mother's Day to everybody, to the whole world. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Cheers to all the mothers. To all the mama. Happy Mother's Day. Kain tayo ng chips. Parang umuulan, parang humid din. Ayun. Humid at saka umuulan ba? Parang umuulan siya. But anyway guys, thank you for watching. Daghang salamat din yung tanan. Thank you to all those who nag-subscribe. Thank you so much to all that nag-subscribe and all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the viewers. Thank you. Ang thank you to all everyone. Thank you. Shout out sa lahat dyan na kanunay. Thank you for all the time that always watching Roospeet Myra. Even though it's not too what you because I'm so tired already and busy ba, you know. Hanggang salamat din sa inyong tanan. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and the whole world.